Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends. Comment at least a vote of thanks is I need from you. Thank you for watching. Shorthand noble gas configuration as well as full electronic configuration and exceptional cases in group 10 nickel, palladium, platinum. We have to discuss these three. Remember, this is very important. One question always asked in any other different competitive exam as well as board exam. So we will go for this nickel, palladium, platinum. Okay, shorthand configuration: nickel 28, argon 18, 3d8, 4s2 till 3s2, 3p6 filled in case of argon, and then followed by 3d8 and 4s2. So 2, 8, 16, 2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8. Here is stop. 6 to 8 and 8, 16. That is why 16 here. This is first shell, K shell, L shell, M shell, and this is last shell. Okay. So K shell, L shell, this is KLMN. Okay, so this is 16, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8 configuration, and 4s2. This is general electronic configuration, no exception. So it falls in fourth period. Nickel falls in fourth period, group 10. 3d series, first transition series is 3d series is going to be filled in this case. Only 8 electrons are there. This is palladium. Palladium is having 46 electronic this atomic number, 46 atomic number. It is palladium. So it is in fifth period. 5s not, so fifth period. Here there is exception. Krypton 36, instead of 4d8 5s2, 2 electron jump to d orbital. So 4s become nil, 0. So 4d10. So till when we are writing xenon 36, at that moment we should know that 4s2, 4p6 filled orbitals are filled, followed by then 4d10 and 5s0 in this case, because this is exceptional case. Okay, it is not to the regular pattern. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, because 18 electrons are filled. Okay, 18 electron here filled, here 8 electrons filled, here 2 electrons filled, and 4s2, 4p6, 4d10 also filled. Okay, that is why here I have written 18, 18, and s is 0. Okay, so this is palladium. Now platinum, in case xenon 54, 5f14, 5d9, 6s1. So 2, 8, 18, 32, 17, 1. See, here I made this, means we have to focus on only 18 electron. So here 16 and 2, here 17, 1, here all 18 are here. Okay, so here s will